Happy Wednesday. Just gonna cook a little some tea right now. Some quick and easy pasta meal. Nothing special. I use ground turkey instead of ground beef. I already washed my hands. I got my hands all nice and clean here. So I turn that on. My meat's all good and thawed out. Put it right here in the pan. Okay. How everybody doing on this beautiful hump day? Beautiful Wednesday. I get my bag here for my trash. I'm gonna season my meat and wash my hands right quick. My water all set. Okay, this is gonna be a little quick, easy meal. Show you what I got here. I have this out so it'll be nice and soft. Got to take that out. Okay, I got gonna do shells today, and I also got, I like using the Hans pasta sauce. I like the garlic and herb. That's what I like. Okay. Got my seasonings. Okay. Show you the seasonings I'm gonna use. Okay. Nothing too big, just a few seasonings. That's my regular seasonings. That's my regular seasonings. Okay, I got black pepper. Black pepper on here. I use the whole pack of the ground turkey. Some people use ground beef. I like using just a little sage. Not a lot, just a little. Okay. My my Italian seasoning. And I do have, just a little of the onion flakes, just a little bit. All the ones I already used up here. I got onion powder also. I like flavor. Just give a little flavor. Garlic powder. I like a lot of garlic powder. I like a lot of garlic. Put just a little parsley in here. I gotta get some more oregano. Put that on my list. And I like to use just a little, not a lot, just a little chili powder. Just a little. Okay. I'm only going to use just a little Goya because it has salt in it. Just a little. I had laid off the Goya. So I'm just going to use half of the pack. That's it. Okay. Turn this up a little bit. I got my water on for my noodles. I'm going to put my noodles in. I like using a fork because you can use a masher, but I like using the fork because it breaks it up. Mix the meat up. Sometimes I use sauce. Excuse me. Sometimes I use sausage. I'll get some in my throat. Oh, excuse me. Throat dry. Okay. I'm gonna let my meat brown. I'll put my noodles in. I already got, I put a little oil in the water so it don't stick. I also like putting just a tad, oh my, something in my throat. Excuse me. Like put just a little salt in the water also for my noodles. All right. Stir them up. Stir my noodles up. Make sure I wash them. So now that's going on. Also got sharp cheese also. I'm gonna add. Just a quick meal, y'all. Quick. More of a laid back day. Of course, I cooked for two. More of a laid back day, y'all. Y'all can see me. Got it up to the brown. So once it's brown, add my other ingredients in here. All right. I've been in the house all day, just relaxing. Looks like we're gonna get some rain. I heard some thunder. I was supposed to go out there. I got lazy, y'all. I got up. What time did I get up? I went to bed late. I think I got up. Well, I woke up early, but I didn't get up. I think it was because I looked at the clock. It was like going on 7. So I ain't finna get up right now. I had planned to get up, get dressed. So I just laid there for a while. Then I dozed back off to sleep. Then I woke up again. It was around right after 9. I said, let me get on up. I got up, got in the shower, got dressed. My plan was to get up, go do what I had planned to do. That didn't happen. I didn't go nowhere today. Sometimes it be like that. Sometimes the Lord be saying, you know what? Sit down, take a rest. Not today. I have a shirt to say, nope, not today. So that was today. Today was the day. I stayed at home. But I am thinking about going to the gym later on. We'll see. We'll see how they go. Still early. It's still early, y'all. And too, that's why I'm cooking early. So just in case if I decide to go to the gym, my dinner will be done. But actually, this is lunchtime. So I'm cooking early. I'm cooking early. This morning I had a taste for a muffin, so I did sauce, egg, and cheese muffin. But I just wanted I did turkey sausage. My husband's sausage, egg, and cheese muffins, and I just wanted the sausage muffin. No egg, no cheese. That's what I ate. We got orange juice. So it's lunchtime. I didn't have lunch yet. So I'll probably have a protein shake. And this right here is enough. I'm cooking enough for dinner. I can have this for lunch and dinner. So I'm stirring up my noodles, my shells. Stirring those up. Ground turkey is browning. Oh wait. Let's see while I wait on that. I'll get my little pan here. Put it like that. Butter. I know it. It's just a butter dish. Okay. Butter didn't fall out of it. Okay. Okay. So, making a lot of noise over here, y'all. So. In the kitchen. You know it's gonna be some noise, so in the kitchen. Alright. Making me some water here. We'll turn this down. I'm gonna keep an eye on my noodles. I don't know what is going on today. Feel like I keep dropping stuff, y'all. I don't know what is going on. Okay. Alright. I got that on it. Turn that on low. Just want to keep an eye on the shells. I want them done, but I don't want them overcooked. Alright. I'll open up my sauce in a minute. I want to melt some butter. It has really been hot, y'all, so you want to stay hydrated. And I've been really doing that. I've been drinking plenty of water. Plenty. I turned my meat off. Okay, I'm going to cut up some of this cream cheese. Not going to use it all. And again, let's see. Wait. I'm going to have to strain my noodles in a minute. I'm just trying to get this sauce right quick mix. Get this all together first. Okay. Not gonna take long. It's gonna take long. Low. In the refrigerator. Okay. And I'm trying to clean as I go. And get my strainer for my noodles. Strain it here. Alright, give me a minute, y'all. I'm still here. Still here. Okay. Okay. Very careful. Very careful. That's on low. Gonna open up my other sauce. Add some more seasoning in here. I'm just gonna add my garlic. Garlic in here. Yes, well. Yes. Well, then we'll go ahead and y'all. Go ahead and use the whole thing. That's not gonna be enough. Always somebody calling when you're trying to do something. And I have no idea who that is. And my hands are wet. Never fails. Alright. Got it on low. That's where I want it. Now I'm going to open up my pasta sauce. While that's cooking, I'm going to keep my eye on the sauce over here. Keep my eye on it. I got it on low. I also have my oven on. So once I put everything together, I'm putting it right in the oven. This goes on top, and I also have cheese. So I'm trying to get this go real. Trying to get it real slow. Got it on low. Now remember, I put seasoning in the meat and everything. I'm not going to add a whole lot of seasoning in the sauce, but I am going to add some. And I'm going to add some, not a whole lot. As you saw, I did not drain the turkey because it had no liquid. Dry as a bone. No liquid at all. Let that simmer. Still want to keep an eye on it. So it all melts. See that? That's how I want it. You know, some people use heavy cream. I'm not doing it that way. You'll see how I'll do it in a minute. So I'm gonna go low. So let me get my pan. Got my pan. Put it there. Right here. It's getting hot. And full. Want to have everything ready. Okay. Got that. It is so dry. Dry. Whew. I got the oven on 350. Had it on for a while. I'm gonna put some sauce on first at the bottom. Almost like making a lasagna. I'm putting the sauce on because I don't want the noodles to stick to the bottom. That's how I'm doing it. Ooh, child. That's so mighty. Man, my cheese. Okay. And this right here is it's like a spread. So just spread it all over it. Just like that. Spread it all over. You know how you would do a pizza and you would spread the sauce all over the bread? That's how I'm spreading it. Just like that. The pan is hot, so I'm doing it fast. Then I'm going to put the meat all over it. Meat sauce all on top. And I'm making a mess. Wouldn't be me if I wouldn't. Trying to work fast. Spreading it all over it. All over. See that all over? And alright. I'm gonna put more cheese on top. And she's going in the oven. So remember it's meat and the noodles. And the spread that I made with the cream cheese, meat, cheese, more meat, now the cheese. Okay. Just like that. Okay. In the oven.